The hematopoietic stem cell gives rise to a myeloid progenitor and a lymphoid progenitor. The lymphoid progenitor in turn gives rise to three types of cells: the B lymphocytes, the T lymphocytes, and natural killer cells. Let us see more about the B lymphocytes today. These B cells are produced in the bone marrow. The origin of the B lymphocytes is bone marrow, and in mammals they undergo maturation also in the bone marrow. So mammals, they undergo maturation in bone marrow, whereas in birds they undergo maturation in bursa or fabricus. So these B lymphocytes, they undergo maturation in bone marrow in mammals and in bursa or fabricius in birds. Now these B lymphocytes, they have a membrane bound antibody. The receptor that is present in the B cells is the membrane bound antibody. So once the B cell has undergone maturation in the bone marrow in mammals or bursa fabricius in birds, then it has to undergo differentiation. So this differentiation, it occurs in the lymphoid tissue. So the B cells, they undergo differentiation in the lymphoid tissue like lymph nodes, spleen. So what happens is, these B cells with the membrane bound antibody, they interact with a specific antigen. This B cell, it undergoes, when it interacts with a specific antigen, it undergoes differentiation. So the B cell, it differentiates into plasma cell and memory cell. So these plasma cells, they secrete antibodies. These plasma cells secrete antibodies, and the memory cells, they help in immunological memory. So as the B cell as these B lymphocytes, they are able to secrete antibodies, freely circulating antibodies. These B lymphocytes form the central component of humoral immunity. So humor basically refers to body fluids. And as the B lymphocytes are capable of secreting freely circulating antibodies, they are the central component of the humoral immunity. So B lymphocytes are responsible for humoral immunity. So to summarize, they origin in bone marrow and they undergo maturation in bone marrow in mammals or bursa fabricius in birds, and then they have a membrane bound antibody, and when they interact with a specific antigen, they undergo differentiation which happens in the lymphoid tissue to produce plasma cells and memory cells. So these plasma cells, they can secrete freely circulating antibodies, and these are responsible for the humoral immunity.